Rain or shine? Oh, the title is Rain or Shine. The weather can be sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy. Hi guys, welcome to Nana Research Channel. So today we are at a new book. So it is weather. So this book let us know about the weather. Like today it's raining, sunny, or cloudy, or snowy, and everything like that. So if you want to learn more, please subscribe and like this video, and we will do more videos. If you subscribe and share this video and give this video a big thumbs up, you'll win this. We will pick one of you to win this prize, okay? If you don't want to win the prize, you can also buy it from this number too. You can also buy this from the number. But if you want it for free, you must subscribe a lot of times. Yeah! Oh, don't forget to buy the books. And now let's read. Rain or shine? Oh, the title is Rain or Shine. The weather can be sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy. Every kind of weather is happening somewhere around the world right now. So there is a weather happening just right now, just like when I'm reading. But today in my country it's sunny. So okay, now let's continue. This is a snowstorm okay? This is a snowstorm in New York, USA. So this is the snowstorm. Here we go. The snowstorm, see? Oh, let's read it again. Rain or shine? The weather can be sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy. Every kind of weather is happening somewhere around the world right now. This is a snowstorm in New York, USA. Okay, now we are done. Thanks you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Nana Research channel. Wait, if you guys wonder why I'm so fast, because look, the page is just tiny, a little bit, just like 5 lines. It's easy. So remember to buy the books, and so it's easy. Remember to buy the books, okay? So you can read more at home, and at school you can top A math.